Greetings, fellow heroes. Here's how you upgrade units in Heroes of Might and Magic Olden era. Keep watching if you've skipped the game's tutorial or if you found it a bit vague since unit upgrades weren't thoroughly explained. To upgrade your units, make sure your hero and his units are inside a city. Then double-click that city on the map or on the right-hand panel. And on the same right panel, you'll see this up arrow icon. Click it to open the upgrade unit window. Now under your hero's army, click on the unit you want to upgrade. If the upgrade button is grayed out, you simply have to construct a higher variant of the building you recruited the unit from, as indicated at the center of the unit upgrade window. For example, if I want to upgrade my swordsman into a Sun's Aegis or guard captain, I'll have to build the garrison tier 2 first. Once I meet the condition, I'll be able to upgrade my swordsman. Now you can upgrade a basic unit into two different variants. I can choose to upgrade my swordsman into a Sun's Aegis or a guard captain, and you can even switch between those upgrades anytime, free of charge, as long as you're at the city with the required building. There are even certain buildings or objects on the world map that allows you to upgrade your units, so keep an eye out for them and hover your mouse over them to read their tooltips. Just a note, buildings and upgrade requirements may differ per faction, so make sure to read their corresponding descriptions. And that's basically how you upgrade your units. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick game guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.